Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to day 7 of our 12 days of Christmas series. Today I'm sharing with you a simple DIY Christmas lantern. So without further ado, let's get started. For this DIY, I'm using these small 4x6 frames I got at Home Center. It was 59 rupees per piece. And yes, I'm reusing this from another project that I did. I'm also using this pretty placemat and scissors and a sketch pen to mark. First, I disassembled one frame, took out the glass piece and traced it over the placemat. I did it 2 more times since I was using 3 frames. And then I just cut it out using scissors. This would also look nice with those vellum sheets or pretty cellophane papers. Next, I disassembled the remainder frames. And then I ran a bead of hot glue over the inside edge and stuck the glass inside since I was not going to use the backing. Did the same thing for the other 2 frames too. Then I added some hot glue to the 4 corners and attached the cut placemat. Next, I ran a bead of hot glue at the edge of one frame and attached it to the other frame. I repeated the process for the 3rd frame. And that's it. The simple DIY lantern is ready. You can keep it as is or add a pretty battery-operated tea light candle inside. Since I did not have a tea light candle on hand, I used this LED string light, and I really like the pretty glow it gives. Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.